Hey everybody, Norm here from Tested, and I'm here at Bay Area Maker Faire, where I was drawn to this booth, and this is the work of this artist here, Roy Hung, along with Adora here. You guys are Perkunas Studio. How are you doing today?
Fantastic.
Well, the art here is fantastic as well. Tell me about these pieces. These are metal pieces, but how did you create and design these?
So this is like 3D printing first for the mold, and then use a stainless steel. And then each part is all customized. And he made this, although it took him about almost 2 years to finish the first one.
2 years?
Unicorn, yeah.
I love the way you're handling it because it looks like it's meant to be interactive and touch. Is that part of the design?
Yes, so this is kind of like an engineering piece of art. So you can touch it. It's art you can touch. And also if you know how to assemble it back, you can actually tear it apart. So you can see it's a movement. And that's the part we're showing you here. It's the spine of the unicorn. You can actually move it like this. And without any silicone, without oil, it's designed like this.
It looks like it's a bunch of ball joints on the inside. Is that where you start off with the design, the joints, and then build out from that?
Yes.
Or the structure in the end?
Yeah, right. Yes, exactly right, yeah.
Now, the manufacturing of this, you 3D printed the prototypes. This is not 3D printed.
Not
so
directly, yeah.
tell me the process. What are you printing in a plastic or resin, and then making molds, or what's the steps?
Yeah, so the first step, we're 3D printing the mold first, right? We're 3D the mold, and then the second part, we will do the stainless steel inside the mold, yeah.
So you're pouring steel in there, melting it down, and forging it into...
And we have a video later, we can show you that, yeah. And then I can show you more design details. So this is the heart of the unicorn. Let's show you here. So I think a lot of people think, they like the little surprise behind this.
Yeah.
Yeah. And also the unicorn's mouth is also movable. Yeah. So I think a lot of people love about this is the motion about it. So we actually think about maybe there's a potential collaboration with like robotics or maybe in the film industry.
Yeah.
We're still trying to find the right fit. And for now, we're selling this in the art galleries. Yeah.
For art galleries. Now this is the unicorn, the second one's the beast. Is it very similar design?
Yes, similar design concept. Yeah, this one. But the difference is the spine, right? Roy?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Roy. What's the difference?
这个可以用线，这可以用线去拉它，就准备要用电控的。
So there's different. The difference is that there's the line inside this spine, and it's different from this one.
Different range of motion.
Yeah, it's different range of motion. Yeah, you want to touch it?
Yeah, this, oh, it's heavy too. This is
Stainless steel. So
stainless steel. Wow.
It's the same material like medical.
Yeah.
And level. Yeah.
It's beautiful. Is there any plan to do a full creature and more than just the neck and head?
要做什么？
You also future plan. Future plan.
会做比较小型的。
So in the future plan, we not only do the big size like this, we want to do something more special, like little ones, so maybe more people can have it. Right? Yeah.
Well, welcome to Bay Area Maker Faire, and thank you for bringing these. They're wonderful. It's a pleasure to meet you both. Thank you so much, Roy. Thank you, Dora.